Hello everyone. So today we are not going to learn acronyms. Instead, I will be telling you about three types of assessment that you will have to include in your sessions or in your modules whenever you decide to design them or to take an in-class session also. So they are typically diagnostic, formative and summative. So let me explain what is meant by each of them real quickly. So diagnostic assessment means that before you start anything, you need to know your learners real well. Reason being that only then can you select your type of examples or scenarios or even sometimes the accent. So when you are an instructional designer, you need to decide the voiceover. And if your audience is Asian or they are American or they are German or they are some other type of people, then they need to relate to the voice. So in that case, if you know your learner very well, then you can design the module much better. So and diagnostic assessment even tells you that what stage is your learner at. Are they real new to the topic or they are very well versed with it? This is just a revision. So it helps you understand and then design much better. Formative assessment means that when they have learned till a certain limit, you just have a quick check. That is, have you understood till now? So this is ungraded. It's a real quick check for the learner to understand whether they have come this far or not, or whether they should go back and restart. And in the end, there is summative assessment. So for summative, now you're going to get marks. That is, it is graded. After you have finished learning something, then now you will have, and like an exam, you can understand it as an exam. So it will be given marks, it will be graded, and later you will evaluate whether you've passed it or not. That is, you get certified or not. So bye for now. I'll come back tomorrow with some new topics.